I'm going to be reviewing a bad slime and a good slime. This one isn't shishy, this one isn't shishy, but this one's like really good. So, let's get on to the video. So, I'm going to review bad or good.
Yeah.
I'll just review the good because the good is my favorite. It's very soft. Very soft and very pretty. But I like the color. I wish it was like red or a blue type color.
Well, we didn't want to schedule like
I made this like I don't think I made this. One of my friends made it in a minute to minute video with my friends.
So tomorrow's practice will be our only practice, and we had to do it
stretch.
early because it's
Very soft, and it's like a spider web. It's very
So 9-11 was our only time. So yeah, just pay attention and see which ones you think.
Now that slime. It's very hard and stiff.
Yeah.
It's red velvet. See?
Yeah.
It rips too.
Oh,
It's not sticky, but it's red velvet.
Oh, yeah.
Very stiff and hard.
That one we're coaching 14 girls.
Like, it's such a bad
I mean, we know certain ones, like Lover,
I did all my muscles.
We know certain, like mine, I know she can play first. She
It's
can
like,
practice the flash, she can only play first because she's practicing.
literally, I'm doing all my
Yeah, this is good on third.
muscles.
Yes. Yeah, that's
And
the
it's
problem.
like such a bad slime. So, I don't really like this one. I like the color type. I just don't like that.
Yeah.
It rips like this one rips too, but it is very soft, so I like that one better.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
It's like very soft, but this one is hard and stiff. And very rough.
Yeah.
I like the color, I just don't.
Oh, yeah. Then, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I got you. And then I know I want to, like...
Zach, get in there.
Caitlin, I know. Oh, that's the other thing. Caitlin, she just said. So I don't know.
What?
Mine was making accurate throws, and Caitlin.
Oh my
wasn't,
God,
like,
get over
you just told me
yourself.
Caitlin was nervous, so I'm like, I think everybody was nervous. Like,
You're fine.
yes.
Go,
I think she was
Zach.
the only one besides mine that was comfortable on the field. Like the other ones, I don't know.
Soft. It's like a clay texture.
See, that's my kid. She does not give a crap. Like, mine does not care what you think of her. At all. Like, I think someone said... Oh, yeah.
My cousins are annoying.
See, mine, I think this one girl that she goes to school with, like, mine has, like, a bunch of friends at school, but she goes to school with a bunch of rich people. So,
Zach,
it sucks, because...
leave her alone.
Like, it sucks a little bit, because Riley's like, well, these people have so much money, and I'm like, well, that's not me.
She just don't want to kiss you. Oh, my Lord.
Oh, I'm sorry, but this is not us. I'm like,
I'm not going
we
to
just don't have a
kiss
shit ton. Like, everybody she goes to school with, but they all like her for her personality. But then you got this one little girl that picks on her. And Riley said, I don't give a shit. And I was like, oh, you didn't tell her that, did you? She's like, yeah, I did. I'm like, oh, just great. But mine just does not care what you think of her. And she gets that from me. I mean, she really does get that from me. Yeah.
So this is like the end of
See, I don't care.
video.
See, that's what John is a people pleaser. Like, my husband.
One, this is a butter slime. You do both butter slimes. This one does smear, but it is pretty hard. But this one's super soft, and it's the butter slime. So this is so make sure you like and subscribe, and I will link the
we can't have that many
down in the description. So you
especially
should go click it.
and
you love slime and you love YouTube, and if you have the
and
phone,
her Foxtail thing was good. So if any of them girls are moving out,
if you're over 10 years
I mean,
old,
we're not playing the Tigers.
like this
We played
video
the
and comment down below.
They have two different ones.
Bye.
But still, which is going to be interesting.
So I'm gonna say bye bye.
cousin on
Bye,
the
and this slime is for sale. This one's not because it's disgusting, but if you would want this, it's sale. Bye,
Don't care
ready?
which cousin's doing.
It left you. Oh.